Coming in at number 4 for the folks that took over airplanes or committed murder while in flight, July 16th, 1948, we had Chio Tok. The Miss Macau, a Catalina amphibian seaplane owned by the Cathay Pacific Airways, took off on a seemingly routine flight from Macau to Hong Kong. Shortly thereafter, Miss Macau crashed into the Pearl River Delta, killing 25 of the 26 individuals on board. The unconscious body of Wang Yu, the plane's only survivor, was found floating in the water by 2 fishermen. Investigators determined that foul play was involved after finding bullet casings in the wreckage and bullet wounds in one of the deceased passengers. In a cruel twist of fate, the sole survivor would confess to being involved in the hijacking plot, which had ended up bringing down the plane. The mastermind behind the plot, you wonder? Chio Tok, who teamed up with Wang and 2 other accomplices to hijack the Miss Macau and rob the passengers. This would turn out to be the world's first recorded incident of an air piracy. Many of the passengers were wealthy, and the hijackers' plan was to take control of the plane and land it on a remote island to hold the passengers for ransom. However, when the pilot refused to relinquish the aircraft, a struggle ensued, and Chio Tok shot him in the head. After the pilot collapsed onto the controls, the Miss Macau went into a nosedive, and Wang managed to jump out the emergency exit just before it crashed. However, since air piracy was unprecedented at the time, neither Macau nor Hong Kong had proper laws in place to deal with it. Since the incident took place over Chinese territory, no one actually had the authority to prosecute Wang Yu for his involvement in the crime. He was released and deported back to China in 1951.